begin? Alright, I am very, very excited as well. But you know what, just to tell you, especially the mommies and the daddies, before I came here, I'm actually a princess in waiting. I'm not yet really a princess because I've been running away from my evil stepmother. Well, she's not really evil, except whenever she plans a party for one of her daughters. You know what? Some of the mommies and the daddies can turn evil into evil monsters like in fairy tales when their little ones' parties, okay, are coming around the corner. And that is why we have SkyLife giving us all the best party suppliers in one roof. Have any of you gone around our booths yet? All of you have! Alright, and you know what? I actually fell there when I was running into the woods, running away from my evil stepmother. I actually fell and tripped, and I think I came from there, from that wonderful sky, well, cotton candy sky right there, and here I am, your lady in waiting, and maybe, just maybe, I'll be a princess later on. So what do you think? Okay, but I do see a lot of princesses and princes here, so I think I am ready to begin, okay? I'll be checking out the first booths and maybe I'll be giving my stepmother tips on how she too can plan her princesses' parties without any fuss. But first, we would like to thank our partners. Celebrations Fair Year 3 is brought to us by SkyLife and co-presented with National Bookstore, the most complete and most convenient bookstore, and ABC Healthcare, your trusted life ally. And it's also brought to us by Fun Ranch, Kids Rule Here, plus special thanks to Big Red Barn, Great Food and Fun, Make Believe Productions, Pose and Print Photo Booth, Party Doll Manila, Party Time Philippines, Globaltronics Inc., Let's Party, Fax Parcel Print, Bio Essence, and Sterling. And